菲律宾前总统杜特地11号国际刑事法院 ICC 以危害人类罪抓起来哦，随着被送到海牙。菲律宾的总统小马可斯是表示讲，国际刑警哦要求协助菲律宾是执行国际义务。杜特地的查囝萨拉是批评讲，这个逮捕行动无法律的根据。
And what is the crime that I committed? I was brought here not of my own volition.
菲律宾前总统杜特地接报为香港为家己支持的候选人进行5月期中选举造势活动结束回国，到马尼拉国际机场了后就被抓。伊质疑这个集团的正当性，最后佫被带去无人机，暗时11点左右起飞去海牙国际刑事法庭受审。伊所辩论的指控是危害人类罪。
Interpol asked for help, and we obliged because we have commitments to the Interpol, which we have to fulfill. If we don't do that, they will no longer help us with other cases involving Filipino fugitives abroad.
杜特地定下质疑非法拘捕，小马克斯表示符合法律定数，是不是甲其中选举有关系？是回应国际刑事法庭调查杜特地受到战的时阵，家己掩饰菲律宾总统，所以无关系。在杜特地2016到2021年执政期间，发动煽动行动死亡的未毒的疑犯甲戒毒者的家属，认为这是迟来正义的开始。
Duterte was very much above the law, which is why it is such a historic day. A privilege and a right that he denied thousands of people himself when he had them gunned down on the accusations that they were drug users, but he will get a fair trial.
不过，有真侪杜特地的支持者无法度接受，已经甲总统马可斯变面的现任副总统，也是杜特地查某囝萨拉，认为这逮捕行动无法律依据，会飞去海牙协助老爸拍官司。公司新闻恩文玲报道。